Like any other 38-year-old man-child would do, I went on Amazon last week and picked up this massive kiddie pool. While I was expecting to enjoy a nice summer of leisure on my patio here in Park City, what I ended up finding was one of the most black hat inserts that I've ever seen. Step inside the video this week. I'm going to put my shirt back on. We're going to look at what this insert has, and it's probably going to shock you.
I've built and led multiple seven-figure Amazon brands. Now, I'm setting out to share how I did it, with radically transparent and detailed weekly videos. Join the journey with me and break free. Welcome to Heist.
If this is your first time here, welcome to Heist, the YouTube channel that is everything Amazon FBA. So before we get into showing the example of this crazy insert I got, there's a good quote that goes, on a long enough timeline, the survival rate for everyone drops to 0. I think the same thing could be said about black hat Amazon tactics that sellers use. They may work for a week, a month, a year, but at some point it's going to catch up to you. So while I'm showing this, it's basically an example only. I would absolutely not recommend doing the things like are included in this insert. But with that said, I mean, like I said, I ordered this pool a couple weeks ago from my backyard, got it, cracked it open, set it up, and found what you can commonly see in most Amazon packages now, which is an insert. So the front of this is kind of very similar to what you'd see on most. It says, "Thank you for your trust in our product. We are doing our best to provide the high quality products and service to achieve the most comfortable and warm ambiance for your home." Very sweet. And then on the back side it says gift card. So that's, you know, pretty generic, pretty vanilla, nothing too surprising there. Where it really gets interesting is when you crack this thing open. So it says, get a $20 gift card or get a $20 rebate via PayPal for your inflatable pool. How to claim. Share your experience by leaving an honest review. Okay, honest. But then it says, please leave a 5-star review. Photos or video will be really appreciated. I'm sure they would be. Please email us with the address to receive the gift. sharinggift@outlook.com, then it has the info. So pretty insane stuff, right? If you look at the listing here, and I'm gonna put up a photo of what it looks like, they've got over 1,800 reviews and a 4.6-star rating. A key part of that is likely given the fact that they are basically paying people 20 bucks if they leave a 5-star review. Pretty wild stuff. I also got another product this week. It was like a dash cam, video dash cam to record stuff in your car when you're driving. I'm gonna throw this one up there too, but very similar. This one had a $40 gift card that they're giving to folks when they share your experience by leaving a positive review. So this is the dark world of Amazon, guys. A lot of people use really nefarious, hardcore black hat tactics, highly incenting reviews, giving cold hard cash, gift cards, PayPal in exchange for a review, in addition to just the product itself. I say all this to say that there's a better way to do it. There's a multi-pronged, multifaceted approach that I use with my 7-figure brands to generate authentic review volume that is 2, 3, 4 times the rate of my competitors. Starting this week, I'm gonna kick into a multi-part series that I'm gonna go into over the next month, going from the easiest, most basic strategies all the way down into these elite, detailed level approaches that very few people on Amazon are doing. If you'd be interested in checking out this masterclass on Amazon reviews, subscribe to the channel below, hit the notification bell. The first video is gonna drop this week. Hope to have you there. Cheers.